Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to Baking with Chef Raphael, a show that's all about making you a better home baker. Today I'm going to show you Swedish cookies. So for the ingredients, we'll have the margarine, sugar, egg yolks, 2 egg yolks, flour, and vanilla essence. So we'll do the creaming method. We'll start with weighing the margarine. I always say that it's good to weigh your ingredients because you get the right measurements, and you invest in a weighing scale because it will give you the accuracy that you need. And to this, I will add my sugar. I like mixing it with the spatula first so that the sugar does not jump all over the surface. Have it creamy and fluffy because that's what will kind of act like an aeration for these cookies to make them soft and crumbly. So to this I'll add my 2 egg yolks and the vanilla essence. And then the all-purpose flour. Fold it first. So just make sure that you mix it until all the flour is mixed through and it's not visible. And then now this is the mixture we'll put it in my piping bag. I'm using a piping bag with a large nozzle. If it's small one, it will not give you very good results. It will be even very hard to pipe. Fill it until it's about halfway full. Don't put the whole mixture because it will be too big to hold and pipe. So I'll take a baking tray that has been lined with a parchment paper or greaseproof paper. Now to pipe, you need to hold it somewhere where you can have a good grip with your arm, and then press while moving your hand. So whatever design you have, whether it's a star nozzle or a plain nozzle, the idea is just to give an even press so that you have an even design of the cookie. When you're done piping, you can garnish your cookies by placing red cherries, just a small piece. This is optional and gives a good nice finishing when they're fully cooked. After this, now what is left is just baking them in our hot oven. It's already preheated. It's at 180 degrees Celsius. The cookies are done when they are slightly brown on the edges like this. They're actually very delicate, so when they are cooked, you need to remove them from the oven and then gently remove them from the baking tin, and then place them on a wire rack to cool down. If you take one and break it like that, it's soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside. I've been your host, Chef Raphael. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Subscribe to my channel so that you're notified every time I have a new recipe out. And until next time, goodbye.